when the British finally agreed to go back and freedom came to India, it came with a very heavy cost. The partition of the country on August 14, 1947. Not only did it cause bloodshed and chaos, but it also left deep scars that are permanently etched on people's hearts, especially women and children. But here's the question no one seems to ask. Who stepped in when everything collapsed? Who rescued the women and children abandoned in the face of genocidal violence? This is the untold story of Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh (RSS), whose Swayamsevaks were out in the streets, in the refuge camps, on the front lines of chaos, risking their lives to save others. As India was divided, violence exploded across Punjab and Sindh. In Rawalpindi alone, thousands of Sikhs and Hindus were massacred. Women and children were abducted and elderly people were beaten or abandoned. Over 1 lakh women and children went missing. And with no law and order, survival became a daily miracle. In this vacuum of security and order, RSS quietly rose to action. Under the leadership of M.S. Golwalkar, also known as Guruji, the RSS mobilized swiftly. Along with the leaders like Baba Saheb Apte and Bala Saheb Deoras, over 50 full-time workers, including a young L.K. Advani in Sindh, coordinated large-scale rescue operations. In Lahore and Delhi, relief centers like the Hindu Sahayata Samiti became lifelines. RSS didn't just protect Hindus and Sikhs, they also rescued Muslim women and children, escorting them safely to Muslim League camps, fighting mobs on both sides to uphold humanity. An eyewitness and also an English professor, A.N. Bali, wrote in his 1949 memoir how the RSS Karyakartas in Lahore rescued families, offered food and shelter, and also trained people in self-defense. RSS Swayamsevaks drove trucks through gunfire, guarded temples, formed night patrols, and stood by the victims in relief camps. They gave food, shelter, and emotional support and stayed until families were truly safe. Even Congress leader K.M. Munshi praised their efforts, calling it unparalleled bravery on Akashvani in 1949. History often picks its famous heroes, but truth doesn't vanish simply. Similarly, the story of partition is incomplete without remembering the brave and tireless efforts of RSS Swayamsevaks, because when everything failed, they showed up. When the weak were abandoned, they stood by them. So next time you read about the partition, ask yourself, why has this part of history been kept in the shadows? Because it is finally time to celebrate the bravery and valor of the RSS Swayamsevaks.